Well, welcome everybody. This is Rochelle with the Beaded Jewel, and as you can see, I have a beautiful bracelet here. Today's video is going to be on how to add the clasp to the Russian spiral. That's our video for today, and I just actually finished making this one here. It's pretty. I know this is close up because I want you to see close up when I'm putting the clasp on, but isn't that gorgeous? So I'm going to show you how I do it. Everybody might do it a little differently. I always try to find the easiest, most non-stressful way to do it. So let's get started. I have one I'm working on here, and actually the other end here I started to put it on. I just about complete it, and I realized I forgot to record it. So let's finish this end. I already have another tutorial that shows you how to put the clasp on, but it's an older one, and it's kind of, I didn't have all the good equipment that I have now, so it's kind of a little on the dark side, but I still get a lot of compliments on that video. But I just wanted to do this again just to update it and have better lighting. So we finished our Russian spiral here. I'm going to put the other half of my magnetic clasp on here, and to do that I'm going to take 5 C beads. I don't like working on this mat, but I think it's good for the background, and I really don't have much to do, so I thought I would just use it. So pick up 5 11-0s, go right into the next C bead after the next bicone. Whoops, so much glare. That's what we have. Pick up 5 more C beads. It's just difficult picking up beads on this mat because it's a little slippery. Come on, there we go. Again, we're going to jump right into that C bead after the next bicone in line. Come on, my goodness. There we go. Pull that in and do that one more time. There we go. And now we're just going to go through the next 3 C beads here. Go through those. Okay. Now you're going to pick up 1 C bead. Count. And this is where you have to count. You're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go in that 6 C bead. And this is, we're going to start closing this hole up right here. See that? So we're going to start closing that up. Hold that. Get another C bead. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go into that 6 C bead and pull that through. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go right in there. And pull that together. And you can see it's closed up. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to go one time around just these top layer of C beads, just to reinforce that. So this is what we're going to do. Just going to go right around here. Wait a minute, make sure. So we're going to go right around here. Right around here. Right there. Then we're going to go into the next one. just to make that nice and tight. And go around here, and then this one. And now I want to go right back in this one. And then what we're going to be doing next is adding on the clasp, and then we're going to be going back and forth to basically these two beads here. Whatever's directly in front of that bead here. So I'm going to put this, take that through, and now I'm going to pick up my clasp, let that fall there, and now I'm going to jump right over into actually this C bead here. You want the C bead directly across from it. So that's what I'm doing. There we go. I'm going to pull that up. Now we're going to go right back through the clasp. Go through the clasp and go back through that same C bead. Okay, back through the clasp again. I'm going to do this about 4 times. Back through that C bead. Back again. And I keep going back and forth until I feel like it's, you know, nice and firm. Feels good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to circle through the perimeter of the beads. Go around that one, that one, that one. I'm just going to kind of go around the circle here. So I'm coming out of here. I'm going to go right there. All just to reinforce it. I'm going to go in here. Okay, I'm going to go back through this one. If I can get back through there. There we go. And I'm going to go through a couple more here. There we go. And now what I like to do with my Russian spirals is I like to go back through all these little C beads. It sounds time consuming, but it really isn't. So coming out of here, I'm just going to start my way working down. Okay, and as you do this, as you go around to all these C beads, don't pull too tight. You want to pull just enough to get that thread in there, you know, and so it's a little firm. But if you pull too tight, these bicones are going to start popping out, so be careful. Let's see, I'll do a few more. I'll just, come on. The glare from the C beads and then the bicone makes it really difficult to see. Oh my goodness, come on. Okay, so you get the idea. I can do it a lot faster when I don't have to keep looking up at the camera and making sure I'm in frame. So you get the idea. I keep going, you know, all the way around, and then I'll just do, like, right as I get all the way down there, I'll go in here, I'll do a little half hitch knot and try to get it, push it up in the bicone, hide it, and that's it. I just have to finish both ends up by going back through all those little sea beads. But that is how you do the clasp for the Russian spiral, or, you know, there you go. Such a pretty bracelet. I think that's it. Remember, you can always slow down the video. You can always hit that little screwdriver, which is, you can go in and slow it down there. It really helps a lot when you're, you know, learning something. I do it all the time. And I think that's it. There's another one I just finished. And of course this one. So I hope that was helpful. I'm trying to think. I know I'm forgetting something. If I do, when I actually edit the video, I'll just put a note in the video there. And that's it. Give it a shot. If you have any questions, I always usually answer them right away, so you can put that in the comments. And this is a wildfire thread, 20 mil. That's what I use to make my Russian spirals. And that's it. Okay, well, that's it. Alrighty then. Don't forget to check out my Etsy shop, where you'll see all my finished goodies. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.